Hello friends, welcome back to another CapCut video editing tutorial. Today, I will show you how to make a simple yet eye-catching text intro in CapCut. It is super easy, you can do it in just a few minutes. Let's begin step by step. First, import your video and add it to the timeline. Next, go to the text tab and add the default text to your timeline. Adjust its duration to match your click. Choose any bold style font you like. Then replace the default text with your own. Set the character spacing value to 5. Now change the font color to green. Increase the scale value of the text to make it clearly visible. Turn on the stroke option to add a border. And set the stroke color to white. Adjust the stroke thickness to 20. Once done, select the text layer and create a compound clip. Now go to the Remove Background section. Turn on the Chroma Key option. Then use the Color Picker tool to select the green color and remove it. Add another default text. Select the same bold font and replace the default text just like before. Increase the character spacing to 5 and the scale to same values as the previous text. Then select this text and create another compound clip. Select the second compound clip and go to the mask section. Add a split mask and rotate it by -90 degrees. Reverse the mask. You will see a small reverse mask icon. Just click on it. At the start of the timeline, set the mask position to the left side. And add a keyframe to the mask position. Move the playhead forward to the 1 second mark and add a second keyframe to the mask position. Then move the playhead to the 4 second mark and change the mask position to the right side. If you play the video, you will notice the text are overlapping and it does not look very nice. To fix this, set the starting point of the first compound clip to the 1 second mark. That is the same point as the second keyframe of the second compound clip where the masking transition begins. Select the first compound clip and go to the mask section. Add a split mask and rotate it to -90 degrees. At the starting point of the first compound clip, set the mask position to the left side. And add a keyframe to the mask position. Now move the playhead to the 4 second mark and change the mask position to the right side. I think now everything is perfect, and that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.